BeyondCore's automated insight discovery solution has three key components. First, one-click analysis, where a user can just choose a variable that they want to learn more about and the software does the rest. Second, 2-minute animated briefings, which are like having an analyst walk you through a set of slides highlighting the key patterns, the key insights in your data. And third, the analytics, even though it's very powerful and includes machine learning and statistical analysis, is so comprehensible to business users that they can easily overlay human intuition on top of the automated analysis. First, let's look at one-click analysis. Here we are going to choose a CSV file and just ask the software to analyze it. The software will automatically format it, figure out how to deal with it, which of these are numbers, which of these are text. All we have to do is tell BeyondCore that we want to learn more about revenue. We hit submit for analysis, and BeyondCore automatically looks at every variable combination in that data and figures out which of these variable combinations are important for us to look at. And it does this without any preconceived notions. First, let's take a look at the animated briefing. Here, BeyondCore automatically figured out that state was the most important variable to report this graph by, and it's highlighting the states that we should learn more about, and it goes on to point out that gender is important. We can also let BeyondCore talk to us.
Arizona, 16 percentage points higher. Florida, 15 percentage points higher than usual. Here is a quick view of average revenue by gender. Together state and gender explain 18% of the disparity in revenue. Compare this graph to the cases where state is Florida.
BeyondCore will go through various variable combinations and take us through everything that is interesting in the data. We may also want to see the analyst report. Here the software has highlighted which graphs are important for us to see. It's saying gender and state is important. If we click on it, it shows us that some of the states there's a significant gender disparity. If we want to learn more, we can just click on the graph and it shows us here is the average revenue by state. Here is the average revenue when gender is male, and it's highlighting that for Arizona and Florida, we have a significant difference. You may also want to see the regression feature. What this is allowing us to do is predict the revenue for a given characteristic, but it also tells us why the revenue is what it is. Here we see that because the females from Arizona spend less on our site, or people from Arizona in general spend less on our site, the expected revenue is low. But if I switch from Arizona to California, all of a sudden the expected revenue is much higher because we find that people from California using acquisition channel mobile tend to spend a lot of money at our site. Instead of giving a black box prediction, this explains why the prediction is made so that the user can overlay their intuition on top. This is how BeyondCore enables advanced analytics for all.